Okay, so we're going to open up this Holden Cruze, and it is a proximity one. Yeah, it's locked at the moment, and we're going to make 2 proximity keys for it. Okay, now we have 2 keys, and we're just going to check the actual key. Tried one of them. Yep, unlock. Then we'll try the other one. We will now program these 2 remotes. Okay, so we've got the 2 remotes now. Let's lock the car. Locks. Unlock the car. Lock the car. Unlock the car. We'll just put 1 remote just there for the moment. There we have it, that's 1 remote tested. I'll grab the other one. And there we have it, another one. So the remote does work while the car's on. That's pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching.